पुण्यामध्ये फिनिक्स मार्केट सिटीमध्ये तरुणाईला आकर्षित करणारं एक नवं हॉट डेस्टिनेशन सुरू झालंय। फिनिक्स मिल्स आणि बेलोना हॉस्पिटॅलिटी सर्व्हिसेसनं सुरू केले हे एक बार नावाचं नवं दालन। नव्या पिढीला एका वेगळ्या माहोलमध्ये नेणारं हे नवं दालन इथल्या डिशेस मॉकटेल सोबत सर्वांना डीजेची झिंग चढवणार हे निश्चित।
पुण्यात नाईट आऊटचे जणू फॅडच आलं आहे, पण या नाईट आऊटसाठी मनाला भावणारी डेस्टिनेशन हाताच्या बोटावर नाचता येतील इतकीच आहेत। याच ठिकाणात आता आणखी एक ठिकाण नुकतंच पुण्यात सुरू झालंय, तेही फिनिक्स मॉलमध्ये। फिनिक्स मिल्स लिमिटेडने बेलोना हॉस्पिटॅलिटी सर्व्हिसच्या वतीनं बार हा नवीन पब सुरू केलाय। येथे आता पुण्यातील तरुणाईंचा सतत रप्ता असेल। दिलखेच डीजे, बेलोनांच्या मास्टर शेफच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली तयार केलेली व्यंजने आणि कॉकटेल मॉकटेलची न संपणारी व्हरायटी तरुणी आणि सर्वांनाच वेगवेगळ्या माहोलमध्ये घेऊन जाते। बेलोना हॉस्पिटॅलिटीच्या व्हाईस प्रेसिडेंट दीप्ती यांनी या बारमध्ये लोक बार कसे येतील याविषयी माहिती दिली आहे।
We have brought to Pune for the first time India's first bar with wholesale pricing. It is an extremely exciting concept for us. The idea behind the bar and the concept was the more you drink, the less you pay. If you come in a group of people, the idea is that the more people on a table, the less you end up paying. You can go as low as 99 rupees if you, let's say, have 12 drinks. We've divided the entire drinking mechanism in the form of a guide. So if you come to Bar, we encourage people to drink in categories. We have the popular category here. So the idea also is that the responsibility is not on you to have many drinks, it's on your table. So we encourage people to come with friends, family, larger groups. For example, just one example, the popular category. If you, let's say, have one drink, any of these drinks, it's 180 rupees. If you have 3 of any of these, it's 160. You have 6, it's 140. And if you have 12 of any of these drinks, it's 99 rupees. Some of the advantages of drinking at Bar is that we don't limit our timings. There are no happy hours because every hour is happy hour at Bar.
I don't think Pune has seen a menu like this because while it's a bar, we have given the food a lot of importance. As I said earlier, there is popcorn of various types in the menu, which means that it goes fantastically with your drinks. And also, we have, for the first time in Pune, we've introduced dabbas, which include Asian dabba, we have a Thai dabba, we have a Punjabi dabba. So people don't have to go out to eat. They can eat and drink at Bar and drinks are really wonderful and our food matches those drinks.
बेलोनांच्या कदम यांनी देखील अगदी स्वस्तात मस्त पब म्हणून बार कसा नावारूपाला येईल असा विश्वास व्यक्त केलाय।
Hi, my name is Paul Kinney and we welcome Pune to the bar at Phoenix Market City in Pune. At this amazing party full of wonderful people, we have some amazing snacks. We have a whole lot of popcorn, which includes shrimp popcorn, chicken popcorn, mendu vada popcorn, and a star of the evening, which always has been the vada pav popcorn. Apart from this, we have a whole lot of toasties which are on offerings here, because our concept of food is we've taken street food and made it eclectic. This is all about having a carnival, having a party, and our food is absolutely matching to that.
We expect a lot of, we thought that there will be a lot of corporates and college students that will be attracted by this concept, but it seems the more that we're talking to people, it seems to have universal appeal. So whether it's a 45-year-old woman or a 50-year-old man or a 35-year-old yuppie millennial, everyone seems to love it, because the fact is that everyone wants a good bargain, right? We were planning on opening this in Bombay first. Because of all the love that we got from people in Pune through Shizu-san and 212, we thought we'll open it in Pune first. Also because Pune has a very large population of youngsters, and we love that. Moving forward, in the month of June, we open in Bombay. In the month of, hopefully end of this year, we open in Chennai and Bangalore.
बेलोनाचे मास्टर चीफ तर खूपच खुशीत आहेत। त्यांनी सांगितलंय, व्यंजनांची यादी पाहूनच या पफमध्ये येणाऱ्या प्रत्येकाच्या तोंडाला पाणी सुटणार आहे। बेलोना आणि फिनिक्सचा हा बार नगर पुणे रस्त्यावर फिनिक्स मार्केट सिटीमध्ये आहे, जो सर्वांना दिलखुलास आनंदात नेईल हे निश्चितच.
Pune, this is a fantastic chance to drink more and pay less, and none other place than Bar at the Phoenix Market City and Viman Nagar in Pune.
Welcome to India's first bar with wholesale pricing.
Come to Bar. That's the only message.
Yes, come to Bar, and we just, this whole concept was born out of pure love and heart. The idea was that we don't want people to go back feeling that their wallet has been pinched. We want people in Pune to enjoy going out without feeling, the burden of the price. And hence, we hope that everyone in Pune loves it and enjoys it.
And we promise that the only thing going home sober is going to be your wallet.
पुणे मेट्रोसाठी पियुष बागडे, ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, जीवन न्यूज, महानगराची लाईफलाईन, पुणे.